Hello, PreK. This is Miss Alia. How are you? We will start now our new letter, which is letter V. What is this letter? Letter V. What is the sound of letter V? The sound of letter V is V, V, V. Can you hear it? V, V, V. V for van. V for van. The van is the minibus. It seats 7 persons only. Okay? V for van. V for van. V for vase. V for vase. The vase is used to put the flowers in. The vase is used to put the flower in and to decorate our home with. Okay? Vase. 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 Okay? V for vest. V for vest. V for vest. V for vet. V for vet. The vet is the doctor who takes care of the pet. Who takes care of the pet. The vet is the doctor who takes care of the pet. Okay? The vet. He is a vet. Okay? We will play a game now. And I will introduce the game for you. We have here letter V. The sound of letter V is V, V. And here is letter W. The sound of letter W is W, W, W. Okay? We will say the word and match it with its correct letter. Okay? Van, van, van. Van with letter V. 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 Watermelon, watermelon. Watermelon with letter W. W, 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 which is letter W. Excellent. Vest, vest, vest with letter V. Excellent. Vet, vet, vet with letter V also. Excellent. And what is this? Window. Window. Window was letter W. Window. W, W, W. So it's letter W. W. Excellent. Vase. Vase was letter V, V, V. Where's letter V? Here is it. Let's match it. Excellent. And what is this letter? What is this word? Sorry. It's letter. It's word. Watch. Watch. We will match it with letter W. 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 Watch. W for watch. W for watch. And what is this? It's a spider web. Spider web. We will match it with letter W. W. Web. Spider web. 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 Excellent. With letter W also. Thank you, PreK. for paying and listening. And I wish all of you study hard. Thank you. Bye.